Everyone, I am going to be showing you how to log on to Sumdog and how to access some of the games that you might have. So the first thing you need is your username, which is 3 letters, and then your password, which is unique for all of you, and then your school code, you can see I've logged in already, is Walkerburn, and then you click in login here. Then you get to some quick fire questions. These are just to warm your brain up, and it's an easy way for us to get some coins that we can spend in our house. So if I choose maths, first thing I need to do is my quick fire questions here. So reading the question, what do I get? 1. Again, how many? Looking at the picture, doing that. Counting here, trying to be quicker because I don't want Sumdog to beat me. If I make a mistake, that's okay, that's what happens there. How many? And then even with my mistake, I was still able to win there. So I've now got 5 coins, and I'll show you how we can use them in a moment. So at the end of that, you can see how we did, okay, and it shows you if you have any corrections and what the answer should have been. So please check this. Then we click on play. Now I am logged in as the ghost from the primary 1, 2, 3 classroom. So I am going to look first of all at my tasks. Now here you can see all of the different tasks that the ghost has. In this case, the ghost only has 2 tasks. Some number work, which is for Friday, and also some phonics words with the qu sound, which is also due Friday. Now, Miss McFarlane and I will set you some questions, okay, and you can see how many you have left to do here. So if I go for some number work, again, it tells me here, and it tells me how many of my correct answers I have got so far. If you go higher than 50, amazing. If not, that's what you're aiming for. So I click on start, I choose one of the games, I'm going to choose Cannonball. You can hear the sound, I'm going to turn the sound off. Click on start.
Which number is 1 more than 16?
You can hear that it says the question for you. Okay, so 1 more than 16, 17. After that, with this game, I have a chance to have a bit of a game.
What is the missing number?
Again, I'm looking here and answering the question. Okay. As you can see with the correct answers that I am getting, I've got some
Which
coins
number is 1
here.
more than 4?
Okay, now I'm going to stop there. I'm going to go back, okay, because really I just want to show you what we're doing just now. Again, if I want to change tasks, if I want to do phonics instead, I go here, click on phonics. Again, you can see when it's 4, you can see how many correct answers I've got so far. Click on start, again, choose the game. Okay, so if I click on goals this time, click on start.
Liquid. Water has 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas.
And in the phonics ones,
Liquid.
It says your word and it says it in a sentence. You can either type it like I just did, or you can use the buttons on the screen. Okay, so again, you can do that here.
Squirt.
Again, or you
Let's
can
take
go
our
here
squirt guns to the beach to play today.
again, and then click on here to do that. Okay, again, I'm going to go back. Now, as you're doing this, you can see that I've now got 46 points. If you go to your profile, okay, you can see that at the moment everybody is an animal. Because I've just started, I'm still a rat. Okay, so I need to collect more coins so that I get a better animal. If I now go to my house, now normally during school time this is closed, it's open just now so that I can show you. If I want to change how I look, I can go to face. Okay, I can change all of this here. This is where I can change if I'm a boy or if I'm a girl. You can change your skin colour. Okay, you can change how you look, and so on. If you go back to your house, okay, if you click on here, you can select different things that you are wearing. Okay, if I go back to my house, I can then click on the bottom part where it says store. And this is where I can spend the coins that I've earned by doing tasks. Now you can click on different things. As you can see at the moment, I only have 46 coins. I do not have enough yet. Okay, I can change what I would like to buy. Again, looking at my house, I need at least 50 coins for anything. Again, if I go back to my house, and then once you've started collecting all of the things, you can see how you've done. The most important thing here is your tasks. This is always here. The ones that are going to run out first are at the top, everything else is underneath. You can also choose just to do some maths training. This is not one that Miss McFarlane and I have given to you. It is just to have something different to do. Okay, so when you're ready to log out, you can go here, log out, and then we can see how you're doing. Have fun, and we can't wait to see how you're doing.